Hey, I want to talk to you about this rinse kit. This is a portable, like a shower. It holds 3.5 gallons, high pressure, battery powered. You can see here up to 50 psi, constant pressure, ultra portable shower. So if you're looking camping, going to the beach, whatever it is, it's really portable, really high powerful, really nice and comfortable to use. Not too heavy. You can take it any way you want to. It's got a 6-month battery life on it. It's just fantastic. Hose is attached. This is where you add the water right in this reservoir right here. Super easy to do. Just dump the water, 3.5 gallons. Like I said, it's battery powered pressure. You pour in the water, press the button, no pumping required. You just get a nice shower, which is really kind of cool. I love that. Just fill up the reservoir. Like I said, it's got a nice no kink flex hose. This is where the power is right here. You can turn the power on. Gives you indication of the power, and also you can charge your devices. Again, a 6-month battery life. That is really super important, especially when you're out in the field, you're on the road, if you're hiking, biking, whatever it is. If you need a portable shower, it is what it is. It's fantastic. It's made out of resin and plastic. It's not very heavy. The hose doesn't kink. It's got a lot of pressure. It's got a lot of power. And we love to use this when we go camping. Not really special. If you go to the beach, you know how you get sand all over you and you don't have any fresh water? This is a go-to, especially at the beach. Especially now, it doesn't matter if you're in a boat, if you're in an RV, it doesn't matter. This is what you need camping. It's a must. 100% must if you need a shower, right? You get some fresh water, fill it up, and you're good to go. So I highly recommend this Rinse Kit Pro. Definitely the way to go. It's a lifesaver. Thanks for watching this review and have a great day.